Dermody getting ready for his first heat race. This will be the over 50 Super Senior. Off to a 4. Got a rider down. Might have a red flag. This will be a gift for Mr. Dermody.
Oh, red flag. 4 guys in Reno.
Okay, yeah. Getting ready for the restart here. Go on the inside, Rick. Rick in the number 3 spot. Working his way around the outside of the number 2 rider. Going for that number 1 spot. Likes to use the outside here, might go on the inside. He's looking for an open spot. Come on, Rich. Don't let him do that to you again. There you go. Nice. That's okay. Rich in the number 2 spot.
Oh, he's won.
Oh, is he? Okay. I guess Rich is in the number 1 spot. They're lapping the guy in the looks like he's the number 1 spot.